What's up YouTube, Emmy here, and today I'm reviewing the August EP650. Now, these are pretty good headphones, under $55 Canadian. They also look pretty good. Now, on the right you will see a power button, plus and minus, and forward and back buttons for the song on the playlist. On the left you have one of my favorite parts, the amazing logo. Now, on the top it's pretty plain. The outside does feel pretty good though. On the inside you have a very comfortable cushion. Very comfortable, I said. Very comfortable. On the right you will see a indicator, and on the left showing which side is which. The ear cuffs are comfortable. Trust me. Okay? They're pretty damn comfortable. To compact the headphones you can fold it this way or the other way. Lots of options, eh? That happens though, so not too good. It is also retractable to fit most heads. This is what you hear when you turn on the headphones, and this is what you hear when you turn them off. This is an audio test of the EP650 while wearing them. This is another audio test of the microphone on the EP650, but this time approximately 1 inch away from the mic. Now here's some audio samples. Keep in mind that this is the best possible quality I could do. Hope you guys enjoyed that review. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in a later video. Peace out.